Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Shopify store specifically for dropshipping. If you are looking to start an e-commerce business without holding any inventory or managing a warehouse, you are in the right place. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set up your store from scratch, connect it to reliable suppliers, and optimize it for sales. Let us dive right in. The first thing you need to do is sign up for a Shopify account. Head to the Shopify website and click the Start Free Trial button. You will enter your email address, create a password, and choose a unique store name. This will become your default URL, so pick something brandable and easy to spell. Once you are inside the dashboard, the setup wizard will guide you through the initial configuration. You can skip the product adding steps for now. Instead, navigate to the settings menu at the bottom left corner. Here, set up your payment provider, typically Shopify Payments or PayPal, so that you can actually receive money from customers. Then, finalize your shipping rates, but keep them simple since your dropshipping supplier will handle the logistics. Now, let us turn this basic shell into a visually appealing store. From your dashboard, click on Online Store and then Themes. Shopify's free themes like Dawn or Sense are optimized for speed and conversions, so resist the urge to buy a premium one before you have made your first sale. Click Customize to open the theme editor. Use high-quality, niche-specific placeholder images from free resources like Burst or Unsplash. While editing, focus entirely on your homepage header, the product grid, and a compelling call to action button. Do not clutter the page with endless sliders or text. A clean, fast-loading design builds trust instantly. Next, you need to install a dropshipping app to connect your store to suppliers without manual inventory updates. The most popular beginner-friendly option is Ecommerce, which integrates directly with AliExpress. Go to the Shopify App Store, search for Ecommerce, and install it. Once linked, you can browse AliExpress directly through the app and click Add to Import List on any product you want to sell. Before pushing a product to your store, edit its title for clarity, rewrite the product description to sound like you, and choose markup pricing rules. Most successful dropshippers apply a 3x cost multiplier to cover advertising fees and still make a healthy profit. The final step is preparing your store for public launch. Remove the password protection by going to Online Store, then Preferences, and disabling the password page. Double-check that your store menu includes a Contact Us page and clear policy pages for refunds and shipping, which Shopify conveniently generates templates for. Test your checkout process by placing a test order in Shopify Payments if your payment gateway supports it. Once you see that the entire flow works seamlessly, your store is ready. The real work now shifts to driving traffic through social media marketing or paid ads, but you have successfully built the solid foundation required for your dropshipping business.